Eric from Phone Scoop here with the N82 from Nokia. The N82 doesn't supersede the N95 so much as repackage it in a candybar form factor. From the front, the N82 looks like it will be a slim candybar, kind of something like what we'd see from Sony Ericsson. But when we turn it sideways, we see that it's kind of chunky, almost as thick as the N95, but not quite. On the front are a camera for video calling, a large QVGA screen, and the typical navigation keys required by Series 60, followed by a number pad with relatively small keys, as you can see. It's actually rather easy to use though, because the keys stick up rather far and they have enough distance between them that you can press any one without hitting any of the others. Our only complaint is that it's a bit cramped towards the bottom of the phone. On the left-hand side is a micro USB port, a hatch that's easy to open and houses the micro SD card, and the charging port. On the other side are the camera button, media button, and volume keys, which also get used for digital zoom. On either side are stereo speakers, so that if you're watching video, you hear it in stereo. Along the top are the power key and a 3.5mm headset jack. This means you can use your regular headphones, and being placed on the top makes it much more convenient than on the side where it is on the N95. On the back is a 5-megapixel camera and a xenon flash. This is the same kind of flash that you see on regular standalone compact digital cameras. You can start the camera simply by flipping open the lens cover, and as you see, we're already in camera mode. The N82 has pretty much all of the same software that you would see in the N95 and most other new Series 60 version 3 phones. One thing that's new on this device though is a Twingo Client. Twingo is a service that Nokia has bought and works similar to Shozu, which will allow you to upload your photos to one of the popular online services like Flickr or Vox with a single press after you've taken a picture. The N82 also includes the Nokia Maps application, which uses the built-in GPS to find your location and then suggest nearby sites or restaurants, as well as map driving routes on a vectorized map, much the way the GPS units work in your car. The N82 isn't slated for sale in the US. It's a European 3G phone. However, it does have quad-band GSM and Edge, so it will work on US carriers like AT&T and T-Mobile.